not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Welcome back, guys. Here with Luvme here once more. So, packaging as usual. Let's get into it. So firstly, I am definitely seeing the way. And before we get to that, let's see what else we got in today's package. So as usual, we got one of these lovely drawstring Luvme bags, which, you know, is great for storage. And then I got this little pouch here with goodies in there. And I also got a bonnet, and this is gorgeous. It's a beautiful purple color. And I got a pair of wig caps as well. They also were sure to package the, you know, information guide, user's guide. So this just shows, you know, hair care and all those stuff. Also has like their social media and everything listed. And then inside the little pouch here, got a patterned elastic headband. And lastly, edge brush and comb. Okay, so for today's wig, guys, oh my gosh, we got a beautiful glueless bang cut wig. It's a bob. So this is their reddish purple layered cut Yaki straight minimalistic lace bob wig, and this is with bangs, and it is literally put on and go. So it's literally a put on and go type of wig vibe. And in terms of the length, I'm gonna put it down below in the description box. I believe it is 10 inches though, but this is so nice, guys, so convenient. Oh my gosh, Luvme here, I feel like they specialize in just the most convenient wigs, because if you notice, most of the wigs, if not all, that I've been showing you from Luvme here is they're glueless, you know, so it just makes life easier, and they really do offer like top quality wigs. All right, so this is a Yaki texture, as I mentioned, and this color here really meshes with like all skin tones. It's a very realistic look, you know, the texture and everything. And I love the fact that they made this the cap very breathable, you know, and it's lace on the top here, so you know it will look very much like it's your scalp. And okay, let me go ahead and show you on the inside of the cap. All right, so it does have a extra elastic band on the inside if you need the wig to be more snugged. It also got adjustable straps here in the back, so you can make it as tight or as loose as you want it to be on your head. Also, I got a medium cap size. As usual, I'm just kind of attaching the strap in the back. There are a total of 3 combs on the inside, and yeah, this is just the portion that the lace is at. Which just make everything look more realistic. As you can see, it's a straight texture, and all I'll do is just run my flat iron over this to just get it super bone straight. But this looks so good. Look at that cut. That cut is perfection. Yes, I'm so ready to go ahead and slip this on. So let's go here, and I'll, you know, put this on over my head. I'm just adjusting that. Okay. So definitely it's like that nice long bob kind of long bang kind of vibe. They bumped the ends. Can you tell? I love the layered vibe that's going on. If you wish, you could wear this straight out of the package. But what I'm gonna do, this is a little bit too long. I'm not gonna cut it. What I'm gonna do is kind of bump it a little bit more. So I'm gonna bump it a little bit more so it's not this far down in my eyes. Bump that. And then once I do that, it falls right above my eyes. So I'm just gonna go right around the wig with my flat iron to just kind of refine it, you know, because we just took it straight out of the package. Sometimes because it's been in the box, it can kind of like, you know, bend in different directions. So we're just gonna refine that. Oh my god, that is perfection. And the tone, the hair color is super pretty. super pretty. So I don't bump it to give it like that super like old-timey like look. You're just slightly tilting the flat iron because you don't want it to be overly curled. As if you do that, then it's gonna give you a whole different vibe. So you see what I'm saying? When it's in the packaging, it can just kind of like bend in different directions, so we don't want that. So we have to refine that and go over that with the flat iron. Alright guys, so you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get my hot comb for the top here so we can flat it down even more. Jeez, isn't this perfection? It's giving me 8 inches now actually. But as I said, I'm going to have the specifics in my description box. I love where the cut is. Love that. And guys, that is it. That is all super beginner friendly. Super beginner friendly because I'm all done with finessing this way. That is all you need to do. And if it is that it came in the box straight up, I wouldn't even have to go in with my flat iron. Literally throw on and go. So easy, so convenient, very beginner friendly. You know, it is a vibe. Like it's giving. It's not too bold, but it's not too safe. You know, because the color, the movement, you see that? That's so pretty. I love it. I love it. It's stiff wear. Love Me Here did it again. They did it again because perfection. I'm feeling this wig so much. Guys, please check out my description box because that's where the direct link to this wig will be if you're interested in getting it for yourself. So go ahead, check that out. Also, I'm going to be sure to list the specifications down there as well. So make use of that. If I have any discount codes or anything, that will be listed as well. So that's it for today's wig look. Super quick, to the point. Yeah. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, so you can be notified each and every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't